Hello. Today my brother's going to be reading my fidgets. Oh shoot, I think I just unplugged her phone. We'll talk about that later. This is a squishy.
So wait, what kind of category? What kind of category are we using?
0 to 10.
0 to 10, 0 to 10. I rate this a 5.
We spend about 30 seconds on one. Yay. This one. Wait, you rated this one a 0 to 10?
I rated it a 5.
Okay, good, because I couldn't hear you. Let's see this. Don't pop it.
6.
He's just like, 6. Just feel it and pick.
8.
Okay.